Hi everyone, this is Arvind from AllCPL. Topic for today's session: difference between throw and throw EX in C Sharp. In this session, we will learn what are the difference between throw and throw EX, and in second part, we will check with demo. Difference between throw and throw EX. Throw is used to throw current exception. Throw EX mostly used to create wrapper of exception. Throw does not reset stack trace and you will get information about original exception. Throw EX will reset your stack trace, so error will appear from line where throw EX written. Basically, we will check this concept in example. In this demo, first we create one function, function 1, and then we create function 2, and we call function 1 inside the function 2, and function 2 we call function 2 inside the main. Let's check with example. We open the Visual Studio. This is a console application. In console application, first we create one method. Static void function 1. In this function, just declare one variable num1, number 1 and number 2. And answer. Number 1 equal to 5, number 2 equal to 0, answer equal to number 1 divided by number 2. Okay, basically in this code we divide number 1 to number 2, means basically we divide 5 divided by 0, and here error occur, cannot divide by 0. Just need to write in try catch block, just write try and press 2 time tab. It's auto generated code. Inside try we have written this. Now our function 1 is ready. Now create the function 2, second function. We call this function 1 in function 2 inside the function 2. This is our function 2. Again in function 2 write try catch, and in function 2 we call function 1. Now in main just write try catch and we call function 2 in main method, and in catch block just write console.log console.writeLine dot stack trace. Here we trace the error. Just run this exam. this code and okay, window is closed. Just write console dot read line so window will not disappear. Okay, this is error. Just I will expand this error. So it will visible. Okay. Here error detail display means basically this error occur in function 1 line number 47 and then function 2 line number 33 and finally in main method line number 50 line number 15. Now just in function 2, this is function 2, in function 2 just write throw ex instead of throw we return the throw ex. Now let's check the output. Okay, function 2 line number 33 error on line number 33 and then display the main method. In previous example or in previous code, the complete trace information is displayed like error occur in function 1 and the line number, then function 2 and then main method. But when we write throw ex, it will reset the trace. So these are the difference between throw and throw ex. It's a good practice to write throw instead of throw ex. So these are the difference between throw and throw